Hello everybody, let's go for another AutoCAD practice. So today I am going to show you how to draw this one in AutoCAD 2D. Let's begin. At first, delete this one. Okay. Select circle and draw a circle, and the radius will be 7.5 millimeter. Now press on enter to repeat the previous command. So click again, draw another circle. The radius will be 10 millimeter. Enter again, draw another circle and radius will be 12.5 millimeter. Now enter again. Now at this point, draw a circle and radius will be 1.2 millimeter. Now select this circle. Now click on polar array command, or from here select polar array and select this object and enter. Now specify the center point. So click here, and so here will be total 8 items. Enter. So close array. Now we need dotted line. So click on others and click on load, and there are so many dotted lines. So you can select one. So I'm selecting this one. Okay. Now from here select your dotted line. Now select circle, and from this point draw a circle, and the radius will be 30 millimeter. Okay. Now select line. Okay. Now we need another line. So click on polar tracking. So click here. So delete the existing angle and click on new, and we need 60 degree. 60. Okay. Now select line. Draw another line. So we need 60 degree line. Select this one. Click on frame and select the extra portion. Enter. Now we need regular line. So select by layer. Now select line. So from this point draw a horizontal line. So click on ortho mode. Make it bigger, magnify. Okay. Selected. Now select this line and also this line. Now again select the polar array. Now select the base point. Now we need total 12 items. Close. Okay. So our drawing is complete. Now we need to put the dimension. So from here select radius. So at first select this circle. It is 7.5 millimeter. Enter to repeat the previous command. So select this line. It is 10 millimeter. Enter again. Select this one. It is 1.2 millimeter. Enter. Select this one. Enter 12.5 millimeter. Enter. Select this one. It is 30 millimeter. Now we need angle. Now select angular. Select this one. Okay. Select angular. this one and also this one. The angle will be 90 degree. Enter. Now also select this line, and this and the angle between them is 60 degree. Now our drawing is complete, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you.